I have wanted to do this for days now, but rain and Eneo will not let me. So I decided even if my images look like an ecography, I am going to film it anyways. Every time I consider doing a wash and go, the videos I watch show an extremely tedious process. The ones where you have to spin your head right round, just made me give up on the thing. I don't have warm water flowing from the shower, so I put warm water in a bucket and I'm going to be using the cup. She said this routine could be completed in 1 hour. So we are going to verify that. I like that she shampoos her hair in twists. I do the same thing. I really needed this shampoo. I just finished doing the 14-day cloves for hair growth challenge and my hair is very dirty. The video will be up after this one. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. The part where you have to unravel the twist. I have never given my hair any chance to get tangled while washing it though. This is new. This is new, very new. I hope I'm not creating situations for myself here. She recommended molding the hair into the style we want to achieve while washing it. And since I am copy auntie, I I am just going to do the same thing. The hair conditioner I am applying is a mix of a deep conditioner and a regular conditioner. I apply a generous amount of it. While mixing it, I thought it was going to be too much, but during the application, I decided to use it all because I was expecting the detangling part to be difficult. This is another new thing to me, detangling just with hands. I went through the stress of warming water this time because I wanted to make this process as smooth as possible. But I can't really tell if it's working. I don't have a base of comparison. I've never done this before. But she said it makes it better. I hope it really does. I need a trim, but I am tired of messing up my hair myself. Please, if you have any recommendations in Yaoundé, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. This thing is hard. This thing is hard. It's hard. How do you? I feel like I'm just going back and forth, not really doing anything. Except I'm going to watch this clip later on and notice that there's a difference. I just feel like I'm not doing anything. I did notice a difference while editing, but I also noticed that my hair has like three different textures. I always thought I had one texture all through my hair. Then one day I discovered the back was different. Today I'm discovering the sides too are different. Interesting. 20 minutes in and I'm still detangling. I don't even feel like I'm getting anywhere with this. Maybe it's just because I'm new to this. I've never tried to do this without a comb. I think I'm expecting too much from this. So I'm just going to rinse this out and continue with the routine. It's been like 15 minutes or so. And it's time to apply gel. I've never done this before. Applying gel on the entire length of my hair like this. Never. And I'm scared. I have to try. She said to apply a stronghold gel without thinking about it. That is a lot of gel. I could not stop laughing while editing this video. My facial expressions are priceless.
My friends have been telling me that, but I did not think it was this bad. So this is all the hair I have on my head. I really thought I had hair. Oh, oh.
I'm not even going to try to change the shape. Oh. I'm going to do the exact same shape. Maybe next time I'll change it, but now I don't have what it takes to think about shape right now. So my hair looks white. She did talk about product combinations, and maybe this gel is not just the right one. I'm not sure you can see this, but look at how white my hair is. She did say if your hair becomes white, then you're putting too much gel. I'm just going to wait and see how this turns out.
At this point, I did not know if I should keep molding it or not. I started thinking about having to wash my hair again and what style I was going to do. All things just do me one time. I just tire. But who give up? Not me. Not my mother's daughter. Not in this life. A side part and a few minutes later, the gel was drying out nicely. I have nowhere to go. I just got ready to film another video, but Eneo decided otherwise, as usual.
So this is the next day, and I covered it with a scarf like she said in her video. Um, I already know it's going to be a mess. I already know. Look at the mess. Oh my god. I think it is due to the fact that I did not apply enough gel. Yes, I did not apply enough gel since it was getting wide and I was scared I was putting too much, but I'm definitely going to try this again. Maybe I'm going to change the gel or I'm going to use the same gel but apply more. Yes, so let me try to get something out of this. I'm going to apply some more gel. I'm going to keep working it off camera and show you what it looks like while leaving the house. So this is what I was able to do. It looks a mess, I know, but I have the attitude that goes with it. I can pull this off. I'm sure of that. I can definitely pull this off.
This routine can definitely be completed in 1 hour or less. Just that I was too scared. The story of my life, I'm always too scared to do things. I co-washed my hair on day 4, and as Shaun said, the gel stopped the hair from getting tangled. I mostly applied the gel in front, so it was easier to detangle, but the sides and the back, another story. I could not afford to just jump in the shower and start washing, so I had to finger detangle first, and I'm using warm water again. I am using a good amount of a conditioner with great sleep, and it just melted the tangles away. You already know I'm going to finger the tangles small again before I go in with my comb. I was so impatient. I needed to get this comb in my hair. I have been looking for a tangle teaser in Cameroon for a long time now. I beg, if you have the right network to get one for me, please do. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.